Hey, have you tried vibe coding using AI?
Yes, you give the LLM a prompt and boom, it writes the code for you.
Feels like magic, right? But hold on, it isn't always safe.
What do you mean?
Studies show about 45% of AI generated code includes known security flaws like SQL injection, XSS, and other critical vulnerabilities.
Oh, that means almost half the code could be unsafe.
Exactly. Plus, LLMs often hallucinate package names. Developers copy them, install fake packages, and accidentally bring malware in.
That could open the door to serious security breaches.
Yes, and LLMs miss edge cases like error handling, unusual inputs, and network failures, so code can break in real world use.
What about malicious manipulation? Can AI be tricked? Huge risk.
Prompt injection attacks can make the AI insert harmful logic without you realizing.
That's scary. Also, data poisoning. What if the training data itself is compromised?
Exactly, just a small amount of poison data can create hidden backdoors in the generated code.
And I guess relying too much on AI makes developers skip critical reviews.
Yes, overconfidence leads to bugs and technical debt. AI speeds you up, but without human review, your code can become overcomplicated and full of hidden flaws.
So, what's the bottom line?
Vibe coding with AI is powerful, but always plan, review, test, and audit. Let AI assist, but you stay responsible.
Did you learn something new today? If so, please do like and subscribe.